dear viewers, welcome to another gift wrapping video from What's Your Hobby. In this video, let's learn how to go about making this amazing gift box for your special ones. Let's take a look at the materials needed. You will just need a gift box, jute strings, flowers and some extra decorative pieces of your choice. Let's start by placing this beautiful flower bunch on the gift box. Now, take a jute string and tie it around the gift box in a way similar to shown here. I hope that you all loved this design. Let's meet again in another episode. Till then, stay tuned to What's Your Hobby.